Hello and welcome back everyone to our third and final session of coding and decoding. So far we have learned four types of coding and decoding, and I hope you are understanding the concept and are able to solve the questions properly. Next we will take mixed letter coding. Here a few sentences will be given to you in a coded language and their meaning will be given to you. For example, in this question that I have taken, the coded language is it, pit, sit, which means I am a boy. And the sentence it, net, sit means I am a girl. Now they want to know what is the meaning of girl. They want to know what is the coded word you use for the word girl. Now, before I tell you how to solve it, I'll tell you how not to solve it. In this whole sentences, what common mistake is made is just because these letters are given in a sequence doesn't mean it means I, or pet means am, or set means boy. Do not interpret this language in the sequence it is given. If you solve it like this, you will get wrong answers, you will get confused. Do not solve it like this. Do not try to answer, decode it using the sequence that is given in the question. Now, how to solve it? First, you write whatever the code and the meaning that is given in a straight line. Here I have written both the codes and their meanings. Next, what you have to do is you have to find out the common words in the code as well as the actual sentence. I am repeating the common words. For example, in this question, the common word or words in this case is it and sit. So I am marking the letters, the words it and sit. In the sentence, the English language, the common words are I and am. Both the sentences, the coded words have it and sit, and both the sentences, the actual sentences have I and am as the common words in it. You mark them together. Now the remaining sentence, in the first sentence the remaining word is what, pit, and the remaining word in the actual sentence is boy. That's why I know that pit means boy. I don't know whether it means I or it means am. What I am sure about is pit means boy. In the second sentence, similarly, you will find out that the remaining word is what, knit in the code, and in the sentence girl is the remaining word. Therefore girl means knit. That is what the question has been asking. The question is which of the following means girl. So I can clearly say that girl means knit. If the question would have what is the meaning of it, I am not sure it means I or it means am. Therefore it cannot be determined. The answer is not clear to us according to the information that is given to me. Please remember that I am not sure what it and sit means exactly, but I am sure that pit means boy and knit here means girl. Now I'll take a different example, but in the form of number coding. Now in mixed number coding, instead of some words you will be given numbers. For example, in this question you have given 786 means study very hard, 958 means hard work pays, and 645 means study and work. Now like I said, just because a sequence is given to you doesn't mean the answer is in this sequence itself. Now how to solve it? In the way that we have followed in the previous question, we will take any two sentences at one time. For example, I'll take first two sentences first. In first two sentences I have what, 786 and 958 as the codes, and study very hard and hard work pays with me. Now what are the common numbers in the code that is given to us? Common numbers are 8. Both the sentences 786 and 958 has 8 as the common number. I've put a box in both the numbers. Now in the right hand side I have written the sentences. What are the common words in it? Heart is the common word. Again, this same symbol I am putting, I have marked it in a box. I'll mark again heart in a box only. Use the same symbols, don't change the symbols for these. Now in the last two sentences, what do I have in common? The last two sentences has 5 in common. 958 and 645 has 5 in common. Therefore I'll mark 5. Now in the right hand side, what words, what letters do you have in common? You have work in both the sentences. Hard work pays and study and work has work in common. Therefore I am marking all of them in the same symbol. I am circling all the 4. Now in first and third sentences, 786 and 645, what are the common numbers? 6 is the common number in the left hand side. What are the common words? In right hand side we have study in both the sentences. I am talking about first and third sentence. You have study very hard and study and work. Study is the common word. Now this is the representation I have for this question. Now what is the actual question? Which of the following is the code for very? In first sentence you can see you have the word very with you, right? Study means 6, very means I don't know as of now, and hard means 8. Now I'm sure about 2 other words. There are 3 words in the first sentence. Study very hard. I know the code for study. I know the code for hard. I can determine the code of very. The remaining number we have is 7. Therefore it is the code for very. Again I am repeating. If I have only one remaining alphabet or one remaining word with me and one in the code, therefore I can say for sure 100% that the code for very is what? 7. Similarly, if the question were the code for pay has the code 9. From second sentence I can say the code for and is 4. From third sentence I can say the code for and is 4. That is all for coding and decoding as of now. If you have any problems, mention it in the comment section below. We'll be happy to solve these questions again if you are not able to understand anything of all the 3 sessions. Thank you and have a good day. Take care everyone.